On this episode of Uncle Brent's Shed, we run the Hemi up once again, get it nice and warm, give it an oil change, cut the filter open for inspection. I can't even see it. Straight on the frame as well. Look at that.
Yeah, until it's not.
Until it runs down the handrail.
Until it runs down the side, yeah.
So I've just given that a bit of a wipe. Put a bit of fresh oil on the rubber and whack him on. That'll do it. Now I didn't actually notice when I had the sump off, it had two washers. That one's way too big. That one is all flattened. And the easiest way to get those off is to get a socket, put your plug in it and stick it in the vise and squeeze it because it was all flared outside of the nut. So just cut the filter open. There's nothing in there untoward, it's just a lot of moly in there. But there's no scrap metal, which is a bonus. Now we're just going to cut this and spread it out. Now, we've got to look for any foreign material. Looks like a bit of gasket material. Another bit there. At least it's not metal or bearing material. Might even be a bit of filter when I cut it. Didn't realise how long it is, eh? And that's the inside, there shouldn't be anything on that. No. Happy with that?
Actually, high.
Start plugging in, eh?
Yeah, it is. I checked that before. I don't know if you put it in that tire or not, though.
Might double check it. Rightio, so we've given it an oil change. The oil looks dirty as I expected because it's got a lot of cam lube in it and molly and whatnot. So yep, oil and filter's done. Cut the filter open and it's absolutely perfect. Not a speck of shrapnel in there. It's awesome. So this engine can start, I can start pulling parts off of this now and getting it ready to go in the car. Also this coil, I had to make a bracket. I'm not sure if there's a kit out there or what, but they're pretty awkward to work with, especially when you've got to get these screws right down inside here. There's not a lot of room, so I don't know if that's something that I've missed or that's how they all are. I'm not sure, but it's a little bit annoying, but it's done now. We don't have to worry about it. One good thing about not having the engine in a car is checking things like Welsh plugs. Obviously they're not leaking, which is the bonus, and the rear main seal. Dry, which is what I like. Now it's time to pull the manifolds off. this is as far as stripped down as I want to go. That's basically ready now. I'll obviously take that bottom radiator hose off once that water's stopped draining out. But yeah, that's ready to go in the car. Next step is to wash the engine bay of the car and just double check everything. Yeah, and this can go in, so that'll be on the next episode. I'm happy with the engine. I've pulled everything I want to off. Next episode, it'll be going in the car. Thanks for tuning in once again, and look after your mate. Battery's doing alright, I've just jinxed myself. That's a price, man.
How good is it? Mint, huh?
Now I just need to cut the ends off of this without cutting myself. Mm. God. Sounds like it goes all right.